headlines. 3 bodies yet to be recovered after Chadong boat capsize incident. CM Biren says no unauthorized boats will be allowed to operate. International Taekwondo player Ningumbam Daina says sportsperson in Manipur suffer from lack of basics. And first round of audition for Tom TV sponsored mega talent show begins. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me, Mandira, and now the news in detail. 3 bodies are still traceless following 2 boats capsized in Mafau Dam at Chadong village under Litan police station of Ukhrul district. The 2 boats with 12 picnickers on board sank in the dam water yesterday as a freak cyclonic storm lashed the state in the afternoon, leaving a trail of destruction. 9 picnickers were rescued but 3 feared dead. Rescue efforts are on to recover the bodies of the 2 men and 1 woman. Manipur Fire Service personnel are taking part in the rescue operation. The victims are Sadokpam Rajiv, aged 26 years, Sadokpam Roman, aged 31 years, and Ningthojam Rina, aged 20 years, from Ningthokong Khakuno in Bishnupur district. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, accompanied by some officials today, rushed to Chadong village to take stock of the situation in the aftermath of the tragic incident. He expressed grief over the incident and termed it unfortunate. He also instructed all concerned to take necessary steps to avoid such incidents in future. The Chief Minister also sent a strong message to all not to operate boats without following operation safety rules. Biren informed that he has talked to Manipur University Administrator Jarnail Singh for hiring a recovery machine owned by the varsity, which will be used in the rescue operation. The Chief Minister said the Chief Secretary will be asked to issue a standing order on boat operation safety rules. All Deputy Commissioners will also be instructed to enforce a safety rule to ensure tourists and visitors wear life jackets during boating in tourist spots in the state. He said no unauthorized boats will be allowed to operate in future.
Suddenly lapo cyclone to the hima overturned the organda. Me trying to give him a pandan septa hore, home of Shima. When I say the Tiba, Narang the Guinea, and idea expert my uncle, Europe Union Home Ministry, Joint Secretary Home, Guards, the North in charge, I'm a contact or said that we will apply Karikarisina, main portion in Andre, depth 120 feet, 150 feet. Aduna madagi makado the yam labor in the Madrid identified fluorescent on the bottom among the Navigi expert team by Australian cylinder Gambo or the National Disaster Gambugi team Habiranga by a woman with this one in Harani, Marks that way, when the street again, Jarnail Singh and Mr. Jagapong, the Mogida, and Simanga Kaida labor. Gumba, Tala, reflector, Pulai Malay Malay, Madu Yaragadi, video and the suit of Radina, Yamlabo Kibuto, Gomia, Shona, short for Manatana pilot.
Later, the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh also paid an inspection visit to the ongoing construction work of the water supply scheme at Chingkhaiching under Imphal East district at the tunnel site at Takhel. During the visit, the CM was accompanied by concerned officials of the state government. Viren said the water supply scheme will be completed by December this year. Drinking water will be supplied to Greater Imphal from the Thawal multipurpose project through the water reservoir at Chingkhaiching. Speaking to media persons, the CM said the ongoing project will require another rupees 103 crore.
Water supply is a project. The government is a Thawal project. Poraga water pipe, the Poraga and Greater Imphal water scarcity another 103 crores scheme development project another scheme proposal have 93 crore project and the budget 15 crore by December. Coming December is the Masiloshalaga. Adubu Masiki Matunga Silo Shalomatunga Koi Kanogi Greater Imphal area, the my Magizaga, the pipe Masam distributory pipes in Haitare. Maduta Woodabale, I don't know Madushu, Tagi Hona simultaneously. See Shubo and Madu distributory pipe Pakali.
International Taekwondo player Ningombom Diana has said that though Manipur is known as the powerhouse of sports all over the globe, most of the talented young players in the state are facing a lot of difficulties due to lack of basics. The young aspiring players are often unable to give their best performance in their respective fields of sports, which is very disappointing. She also drew the attention of public members in this regard. Diana was speaking during an event at CC Higher Secondary School, Imphal, where the school's 1993 batch alumni extended financial assistance to her today. Due to poverty, Diana has been running a fruit salad stall on the footpath near Kangla Fort, main gate in Imphal city. She has been preparing to participate in the upcoming International Taekwondo Championship. An optimistic Diana further stated, if one is determined, money can be earned working hard. Diana said she sells fruit salad to earn some cash. She also called on the well-wishers to extend help to other athletes who are in need.
Sumaina mateng pangbiri yam nungai je ado sidagi hena mateng je panghanninge haibadi ai khatang gi nataba ai guma sports player mayam masu leiri sigu yeng biyo na su haijaninge ai na su makhata ba choba kaya masu ngamna hotna jari makhata na hotna khini aduga haidi India manungda tabagi India manungda di chatpa ngambagi ko just capacity do adugi chatpa ngambane aduga out of India da yam chatning base hadi family support adagi government support laidana adu support laitabana chatpa dingamje.
On the other hand, a student of CC High Secondary School, M. Johnny, said that he is helping Diana with the little amount of money he could donate with the hope to lift up her spirit.
Lebaki mapa mapi ko riba hamdugi mamangda aise aina ngammi ko nakoina mateng pang video so ngammi ko iso nang successful organic ko ai taekwondo haiba masana sida international level da hanas logre any financial support adu ada ai state natraga ani kala tongdo so ai thanda kitang tawong kam ni na mana to so thor ko sida ko grosina yam harauna haibadi session 1993 95 base na magi angam bakidang contribution tawjage na onda Matung the Sunta Zerke has a quick group see Massing Wally 10,000 Massi on the Pangams of the Tornado 70. A Tanga Zoa Bagay, yeah, I have a group to me 17 when you see the at least 20 Muktan or Honavasi.
The first phase of audition of an open mega talent show presented by Tom TV and organized by Royal Event began today at Lamjingbatomtv Lane in Palace Compound, Imphal. The program aims to quest gifted singers and exhibit their talents. Theatre Centre Manipur Chairman Padma Shri Naba Warepa, Social Welfare Department Director N.G. Uttam, Art and Culture Director A. Shivadas Sharma, JN Manipur Dance Academy Imphal Principal R.K. Navin, and Lamjingba Group Director Mutum Ryan were the presidium members of the event. Over 300 contestants are expected to participate in the talent show. 60 aspirants took part in the first round of audition. Royal Event Managing Director O. Conardo said the talent show seeks to search and identify talented persons. This platform will be able to provide the youngsters to explore their hidden talents. He said and informed that the first round of audition will continue for 4 consecutive days. Quarter-final and semi-final rounds will take place before the final round, which will be conducted on 6th of May next. This mega show is exclusively telecast by Tom TV, he said.
Manipur khatang iwabudi nate, but all over the world hidden talent mayam lay haidi talent lay raga expose to bangam daba either ma se magi platform phang daba khangde adagi puthokpi na lay tawa khangde adugo mayam sum lay just akoina sidi changing ama yeng su oina aduna traga project ama chauna tawrasu platform tang bukhat piraga mayam se magi expose to bangam ba mayam do krai bok to boya ge do akoi tawsi haina sengna kan handak season han boin sinjabani mathang de sengna kan upgradation mayam la mathang sin gen kanjari ado aina pinning message hairaga di sengna kan akoi gi motto so dum oibani enhance your talent haibri sengna kan da akoina talent to leiraga di sengna kan uthok piyo haidi mafam se chana thambiyo sini da haidi aduragadi talent to gi kanaba dum lakane quarter finals ina akoi gi tang 8 9 mapan adu loraga tang 3 semi final tawraga finals ina akoi tang 13 ta final se sengna kan da akoina live telecast on tawgani only on Tom TV da thajagani have the sigi season si sengna kan da Tom TV na presence to bibani ada Tom TV da hujiki program se only Tom TV da khatang thagani akoi winner se kano gaitare akoina jury gi basis ta chatloi akoina public choice hoina tawraga akoina online voting tawraga mayam na sina phare have do chalan jagani.
A participant in today's audition said that the mega talent has given a chance to showcase the unexplored talent besides giving encouragement.
Ado ka isada kitang kaino su experience lay hawre mathang so ke ka yawo gumbage adu khalura kitang nungai phaw de mi khudeng mak talent amam loina laibane adu talent sing do losan laga lay do charak pudi sum bada yaroga show toraga aphaba magi talent to gi chana ba phawba amam adu gumbo oina ba advice pinning.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back. Manipur University Department of Dance and Music organized World Dance Day at the Department Hall today. Retired Principal Guru Ranjit Adhikari of Government Dance College, Retired Principal Laimayum Devendijit Sharma of Government Music College, and Retired Senior Artist Production Unit Guru and Amusana Devi shared the dais at the function. In his speech, Manipur University's Department of Dance and Music in charge C.H. Jasovanta underscored the need to promote dance, which will not be possible by mere learning the art.
Manipuri macha singsina jagoi isaida makoina tawriba performance singse yamdi phaba aduga performer oina satkidanaba makoi sidexida koigi academic value added oina kari tawba yari kari karmaina tawgodabano aduga koi international level da aikoigi education se yaudragadi aikoigi chumnagi performance piba adu khatana di matam masidagi hauju kitang phajadaba ama oiba aduna akoi research da puthoaga karamba mawong da tawribage karamba mawong da chatlibage haibasing do madu akoina world dance day siga mari lainana madugi maikei da chatnabagi da makta akoina ngasigi yam chamlaba world dance day ase sinjabane.
Two minor children who was found wandering in Howlin-Phai village near Indo-Myanmar border under Mori police station were rescued by 43rd Assam Rifles yesterday. They were later handed over to the family of a team of Assam Rifles. Like every year, Iramdam Kanbalup IKAL today organized Asaji Bakudo, which marks the day when sisters give presents to their brothers on the arrival of Manipuri New Year. Titular King of Manipur, Laishema Sanajauba and several Manipuris from Assam, Tripura and Kashar took part at the event held at PCYWC Hall in Palace Compound. As part of the event, sisters presenting simple gifts and performing the traditional Ogri Chongba dance were the main highlights of the program. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, titular King Laishema Sanajauba said that today's event will strengthen the bond among the Manipuris living here and those who are settling outside the state.
Silina wabi wakalol du sagalaga ngasagi akhogi apunbagi pangal aduga Manipuri singe aduga apunbagi pangal do akoi hojiksi utpagi matamdu oire haibigi wakalol du da ngasigi thalom mase sinmani aduga yamna nungai badi masi aina handak Tripura da chatsai akoigi pauna khongjom dega mari leinana masida su mafam du da lei horiba akoigi Manipuri sing khul mayam ama aina chatsarui aduga chacharu matam sa masiga wakalon se ai sandokpa haujarame haujikti ekoi Manipur da leiba maroina maitai singakta ekoi gi punjan manataba ekoi gi masiga wa moda leikraba ekoi gi Manipur sing mayam se Tripura do isunu Assam do isunu Nagaland do isunu aduga Mizoram do isunu even Bangladesh do isunu Burma do isunu hek malengi mafam kodi makta leiba ekoi gi Manipur sing aduga maitai sing se punjan bagi aduga ekoi gi apun bagi ekoi gi nation gi vision ama ekoi thambagi matamadu oire.
In the backdrop, owing to frequent bomb blast and bomb plant in Imphal city, Imphal West District Police have tightened security measures. Imphal West Commando conducted combing operation at Majakul in Thangal Bazar, Kalibari and MG Avenue under the jurisdiction of City Police. Under the supervision of Additional Superintendent Operations AG Sharma, 372 people were verified. 15 people with improper verification were detained by the city police for further verification. The northeastern states of Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram and Tripura are expected to experience heavy rains during the coming days. At present, an anticyclone is over North Bay of Bengal, which is feeding moisture over the northeastern states. The weather experts has today further predicted that the combined effect of both these weather systems, rain and thunder shower activities, are expected to continue with good intensity for the coming 1 week across the entire northeastern region. Time for a break. Stay tuned.
Water Revolution by Lamjingba Group, Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group na Manipur gi miyoi khudingmak haksang fana na da yektana lehenabagi pandamda miyoi bagi thawai ni hairiba afaba ising phanghananaba hotnajari liter kun gi jar asi subscriber khudingmaki yumthong khudingda phanghananaba hotnajari taru tananba mahausadagi thokcharakpa ising loduna sizinari ising asida kanaraba mineral hapchinduna matam sigi khwaidagi faraba khusu khulaina process tawduna pack tawjari sterilize Tauraba ising patra sing da hapjari. Subscriber oibagi khudong chaba sing adudi adongi yum fauba ising asi thinjarakani. Registration hack tawbibada ising thanna yauraba jar ama pijagani. Tha amada 30 jars 600 liters pijagani. Tha amagi subscription fee lupa chani yankai khaktani. Sahi amagi lobi matamda tha anigi subscription free da pijagani. Subscription type tha amagi lupa chani yankai tha taruki lupa lising amaga chamanga tha ahumgi lupa chatre yankai sahi gi oina lupa lising ahum. Contact Tobiu 8257888737. Email lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com. Yoga teacher jobs in Delhi for freshers. Sri Krishna Classical Yoga Group of India, New Delhi, headquartered dagi tholokpa cherol amagi matung inna North East ki oina yoga teacher humfu selection khanjagani maru oina India gi mapanda chetpagi khudong chaba pizagani job ki mafamna Delhi amadi UP dani saruk yabining ba singna Athuba matamda online resume biodata thabirau aikhogi contact number 9810993987 email birlayogaolympics@yahoo.com Interview place Classic Hotel Imphal.
Welcome back. The Supreme Court has issued a directive that National Register of Citizen staff in Assam assigned for election duties be redeployed back immediately for working specifically on the Citizens Register, which should be published by hook or by crook by 31st July. The top court warned that exemplary disciplinary action will be initiated against any officer of any rank found to be violating or ignoring or not giving adequate attention to any NRC duty or any instruction issued regarding NRC works from the Office of the Registrar General or State Coordinator. The Apex Court directed that once the elections are over in Assam, the NRC staff be immediately engaged back for the extensive citizen engaging exercise. At least 3 trucks were damaged after unidentified miscreants set on fire some trucks parked near the FCI godown at Mauro in Meghalaya capital town of Shillong late last night. While one truck got completely damaged, 2 others got partially damaged due to the fire incident. The food grain laden trucks were to unload PDS rice at the FCI godown of Maulian today. Meghalaya police intervened right on time to douse the fire with help from fire tenders. The fire could have spread to more areas and residential buildings in the area. The miscreants might have taken advantage of the load shedding and set on fire the trucks. Police investigation is on and launched a search operation to nab the culprits according to sources. A group of about 50 turmeric farmers from Nizamabad district today will file their nominations from Varanasi against PM Modi in the ongoing Lok Sabha elections to highlight their long-pending demand of setting up a separate welfare board that would look into their issues and resolve them, alleging that their problems were not addressed under both the ruling BJP government and UPA government, that they want to highlight their problems and demand creation of a turmeric board and minimum support price of rupees 15,000 per quintal for turmeric. Turmeric farmers across the country are facing hardships due to famine conditions and lack of MSP for the last 3 to 4 years. This year, turmeric prices have fallen to rupees 3,200 per quintal from rupees 5,200 per quintal. Voting began across 72 Lok Sabha constituencies spread over 9 states, mostly in the Hindi heartland, at 7 am today. In Mumbai, all the 6 seats have voted today. Actors and captains of the Indian industry were seen patiently waiting in queues early this morning. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged people to come out and vote in large numbers and break the records of the previous 3 phases. About 12.79 crore voters in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Orissa, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Jammu and Kashmir will decide the fate of 972 candidates. Prominent among them are Union Minister Giriraj Singh, former JNU student leader Kanhaiya Kumar, former Union Minister Milind Murli Deora, while 17 seats in Maharashtra are going to polls in the 4th phase. 13 seats each in Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, 8 in West Bengal, 6 in Madhya Pradesh, 6 in Orissa, 5 in Bihar and 3 in Jharkhand have voted today. Voting began at 7 am and continued till 5 pm at the polling booths in these 9 states. Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman at a bilateral meeting with her Chinese counterpart General Wei Fenghe in Kyrgyzstan today discussed bilateral and regional security issues as per reports. The 2 defense ministers interacted at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Defense Ministers meeting. Sitharaman is currently in Kyrgyzstan on a 3-day visit to attend the SCO meeting. She is expected to discuss various ways of combating terrorism and other security measures with the 8 member states of the SCO in the organization's ministerial meeting. The current SCO meeting will be followed by the SCO summit, which is expected to take place on June 14 and 15 this year. Floods sparked by torrential rains have killed 29 people in Indonesia, with a dozen more still missing. Today, marking the latest calamity for a disaster-prone nation, landslides and floods are common, especially during the monsoon season between October and April, when rain lashed the vast Southeast Asian archipelago. Indonesia's disaster agency today confirmed 29 deaths and said at least 13 more people were missing after days of pounding storms on the island of Sumatra. Some 12,000 others have been evacuated from waterlogged Bengkulu province, with hundreds of buildings, bridges and roads damaged. Flooding in parts of the capital Jakarta during the week killed at least 2 people and forced more than 2,000 to evacuate their homes. Last month, some 112 people died and more than 90 remained missing after torrential rains pounded Indonesia's Papua region, triggering landslides and flash floods. Japan, South Korea and the United States will meet on May 9 in Seoul for the 10th Defense Trilateral talks. As per reports, senior defense officials from each country will discuss ways to boost trilateral cooperation on the issue of denuclearizing the Korean Peninsula and the enhancement of trilateral military ties. The goal of the defense trilateral talks, which have been held every year since 2008, is to deepen cooperation on regional security issues, including North Korea's nuclear weapons and missile program. The last meeting took place in Washington in March last year. At the meeting, the 3 countries are likely to address the radar row, which played out in the 2 countries' overlapping exclusive economic zones.
The 3 sides also urged China to stop.
Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Storm hits state. Boats capsized, 3 missing. Extensive damage reported. Student from state targeted with racial slurs beaten at Delhi. Manipuri women auto drivers' life is now a film. Lok Sabha election 2019 phase 4. 72 parliamentary constituencies to go to polls today. The People's Chronicle. 3 fear kill as boats capsize in Mafok Dam. State braces for massive thunderstorm in 2 days. PIL seeks to link Aadhaar with social media accounts. Sit-in protest inaction against rape accused. Pre-Pak recruiter held to rescue. JFC moves steer over tossing of Sugnu School. Impal Free Press. St. Joseph arson. Police names KSO Gungpi block president as one of the accused. 3 persons reported missing after freak storm. MPDF launches poster campaign against corruption. One general strike and economic blockade increase in 2018-19, says a study. Assam Rifle reunites lost kids with parents.
Before we wrap up, the top stories once again. Three bodies yet to be recovered after Chadong boat capsize incident. CM Biren says no unauthorized boats will be allowed to operate. International Taekwondo player Nirmala Dina says sportspersons in Manipur suffer from lack of basics. And first round of audition for Tom TV sponsored Mega Talent Show begins. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.